We'll guide you through how to make a modded Minecraft server. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. With a modded Minecraft server, you can play with others and play mods together. Of course, mods can really go and enhance the game, and then playing with other people can make it even better. So, to go and get started, let's come out of Minecraft. As some different things we need to do, here we are on the desktop. It's important to note that when we're making a modded Minecraft server, in order to go and join it, we also need to have the mods installed on the client-side version of Minecraft, which is essentially Minecraft here, and other people who go and join will also need them to be installed. So for the first part of this guide, we'll be showing you how we can install the mods on our computer because I needed to go and then join the server. So as I said, other people who join will need to do this as well, so you can send this first part of the video to them. So what you can do is open up a web browser of your choice, and we can then go and get the mods we want. So in this case, we're going to go to a site called CurseForge. If you're giving this to other people, I recommend just going and copying the links to the mods. We can do that in a moment. Come to Minecraft and we can press browse all at the top and we can press mods. Go and choose the mods or mod you want to do this with. So for example, I want to get just enough items. I'll click there and press files. And then what we can do is go and download it. What's super key is the game version, as the game version needs to be the same for all the mods and the server. So this is for 1.20.1. What's important as well is the mod loader is for Forge, as we'll be using that. Press the three dots to the right and press download file and wait. It's now gone and downloaded, and what we can do is go and get any other mods that we want. They do need to be for the same version. I want to go and get this mod here. I'll press files and I'll go and select the game version to go and be the same. I'll then come to the right, make sure that it's for Forge, press the three dots and press download file. We now need to go and get the mod loader, and that is called Forge. So type in Minecraft Forge. We're also going to be creating the server with Minecraft Forge as well. So we can come to the site here, come to the left, and what we need to do is now go and get the version that we got the mods for. In my case, that's 1.20.1. I'll select that and then I can then go and press installer. You're going to be taken to an ad wall here. Just be aware if you see a download button, it's for the ad. To go and start the download for Forge, you press the skip button in the top right, which will shortly be available. We've now downloaded what we need for now. With the method in this video, for the server to be online, our computer's going to need to be running, and the server needs to be running as well, using up your computer's resources, meaning it's not 24/7 unless you leave your computer running the whole time, which is not ideal at all. Also, for people to join, you'll need to give out your IP address, and they'll be connecting to your network, amongst other things. So you should consider checking out the sponsor of today's video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server. At the moment, you can get 30% off your first invoice. There'll be a link down below in the pinned comment and the description. They've got some great features here. Of course, you can go and install mods with them. You can even get entire mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 service and support, meaning you can get help when you need it, and much more. Check them out if you're interested. But let's continue. And what you can do is go and open up your file explorer and see what we've downloaded. To get started, let's install Forge. Double click on it and you get this pop-up. If you don't get this pop-up, maybe nothing happens or something else does. So what you need to do is come back to your web browser, head to a site called java.com. Once you're here, press download Java for desktops. You then press it again and it will go and download. Go and install it. Return to Forge, right click on it and hover over open with and press choose another app. Select Java and you can press always and it will then go and run. If it still doesn't, then what you need to do is something called a jar fix that links jar and jar files together again. We've got a video on that. When you get it open though, select install client and go and press OK. It'll go and install. When it's finished, you'll go and get it pop up. Now what you need to do is go and open up the Minecraft launcher like so. Here we are, go to the top and press installations, scroll down and go and find the option for Forge, hover over it and press the file or folder icon to the right. In here, we need to go and scroll down and go and find the mods folder. Double click on it. What we need to do is go and put the mods in here. Now, what we're going to do is because we'll need them on the server as well, what you can do is go and right click, and then you can go and press copy, come into the folder and go and paste it. We've now put them in like so. Come to the launcher and you can hover over Forge and press play to the right. It successfully ran. If we go and press mods, we can go and see them to the left here. What we can do is then go and minimize Minecraft. What we need to do though is come back to our downloads and go and find the Forge installer. Double click it again, select install server, come to the bottom and press the three dots. You'll get this pop up. We can come to our desktop. Then what you can do is go and press the new folder icon at the top and we're going to call this modded server, just like so. And what you can do is go and select it and press open. And now we can press OK. When it's finished, you can then go and press OK like so. Go and find the modded server folder we just created and open it up. what we need to do is go and then find run.bat. You need to go and double click that like so. Now this is going to go and run through. Now, if you go and get some type of error here, don't worry, go and close it. I didn't, as I've already actually got it installed. So what we need to do is we need to get JDK. It's basically the Java development kit. So on the Java site, what you can do is come into developers and enterprise administrators. If you're off here, just come back to java.com, press developer downloads we brought here. We can go and select JDK 24, then Windows, and you can get the installer here. Download it and install it. And then what you can do is go and rerun run.bat. And it should then be successful. When you have, it's going to go and generate the euler.txt. Double click this to open it up, and you need to go and read this, essentially the terms. I already have, and then once you agree to it, you can go and change the Euler from false to true. Press file and press save, and we can close it. And then you can go and double click run.bat again, and it's going to go and run. You'll go and get this Minecraft server pop up. Now, what we can do is actually go and close it just by closing it like so, and we can close it here as well. Because what we need to do is go and add in the mods. Let's come into mods here, and then we need to go and add in those same mods we installed on Minecraft. Now we can just go and drag and drop them in. Now that we've got them added, we'll press the back button. What you can do is come down to server.properties. Right click this, hover over open with, and press notepad. This will open up, and you can start making changes here, and then we can launch the server again by pressing run.bat. Now we can go and join it. So come back to Minecraft like so. We can press multiplayer. We can press add server, and because it's hosted on a computer here, type in localhost and press done. Then we can press it and press join server. We're now joining it. As you can see, we can see the mods are installed. We've got the mini map in the top right. If I open up my inventory, I can go and see JEI. Now you may be wondering, how can your friends go and join this? Well, to go and do that, there's a couple of different ways. We have got one way on the channel, but the main way is port forwarding, which you can go into your router and set it all up, and they'll then be able to go and join it with your IP address. That isn't always the most secure thing, as you have to give out your IP address, which is why using Apex can be a great alternative. But that's it. You can start playing with your friends.